5 health benefits of drinking turmeric milk every night. Turmeric, sourced from the curcuma longa plant, contains curcumin, an active compound with various health benefits. Drinking turmeric milk, also known as haldi doodh or golden milk, has been a popular traditional remedy in many cultures for centuries. Let's talk about benefits of drinking turmeric milk. First benefit: turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming turmeric milk regularly can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases. Second benefit: turmeric milk boosts immunity. Turmeric milk contains antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that can help boost the immune system. Regular consumption may enhance the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Third benefit: turmeric milk aids in digestion. Turmeric milk is believed to promote healthy digestion. It can help in soothing the digestive tract, reducing bloating and gas, and promoting overall digestive health. It is also used to alleviate symptoms of indigestion. Fourth benefit: turmeric milk improves joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can be particularly beneficial for people suffering from joint pain and arthritis. Regular consumption of turmeric milk may help reduce joint inflammation and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. Fifth benefit: turmeric milk promotes better sleep. Turmeric milk is often recommended as a sleep aid. The warmth of the milk, combined with the relaxing properties of turmeric, can help promote better sleep. It is especially useful if you add other sleep-promoting ingredients like honey. However, it's important to note that while turmeric milk offers these potential health benefits, it is not a magical cure-all. Also, the curcumin content in turmeric is relatively low, so for therapeutic purposes, curcumin supplements might be more effective. Additionally, if you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before relying solely on turmeric milk or any other home remedy.